Welcome to the waitlist and swap function.
It's possible to replace a class in your schedule with another. Here's how to do it. Using the Swap tab, we begin by selecting which class we wish to drop. We must now select the course we wish to enroll to by using the class search function. We must search for the class we want, as it was previously demonstrated in another tutorial. Choose a section that is available to you. If no sections are available to you, you can choose one that you would like and put yourself on the waitlist. In this case, if you get a seat in this section, it will be added to your schedule, replacing the other one you chose earlier. In the case where the class you would like is full, check the box to be put on the waitlist. If the class has room for you, ignore this step. We are now completing the last steps of the swap. We must now complete the drop and swap by confirming the process. A green check mark should indicate us that it worked. Now that you know how to swap a course for another, let's see how to put yourself on the waitlist of a course you have room for in your schedule. We are now enrolling to a course as it was previously showed in Tutorial 1. Choose Enroll. Choose Class Search. Choose the term discipline for which you want to search. If you have a specific course in mind, add the rest of the course code. Classes can be divided in many components. Lecture is always chosen first. If no section has any available seats for you, here's how to put yourself on the waitlist. Proceed to Step 2 to complete your enrollment. Here is the last step. A green check mark should inform you of your position on the waitlist. Your position on the waitlist does not assure you a place in the class. Note that if your class is full and you did not use the swap function, the waitlist cannot enroll you in the course. It is recommended that you enroll in a full schedule, then use the swap function to enroll on the waitlist afterwards.